Fractal Jigsaw by Oskar van Deventer. It's an old puzzle, 2005, like you can see here. It's totally insane to solve. Totally insane, but so satisfying. If I take one piece, I'm going to see why. I'm going to maybe make like that. That'll be easier. You can understand why. If you can see this piece, it's totally crazy. Okay, I'm going to reorganize the piece and I'm going to show you how to solve the puzzle. Okay, first piece I'm going to place is this one. And then go in the corner here. Something like that. Next piece I'm going to use is this one. Okay, that should go here like that. Oh no, or like that. Like that, yes, okay. Okay, now I'm going to use this piece. Do not mistake that piece with this other one where we have a strange piece here. And this piece go already confusing for me, somewhere here, go somewhere like that. Okay, alors for the piece that go here is this piece. We have like a little bump here, and that piece go here like that. Oop. Okay, next piece that go somewhere here is this piece. We have a strange piece like that. This piece go something like that, if I remember. Yes. Okay. No, the piece that go there is this one, where we have again a strange piece, and that goes something like that. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to use this piece. Yes, this piece is a little damaged, missing a little white. It's an old puzzle one. And that piece go like that. Okay, for the piece going here, if I remember, is this piece. And that piece go something like that. Things. If I did not make any mistake, or maybe it's another piece. Ooh. Let me see. Maybe no, it's this piece. Okay, I think it's this one. This one go line up, maybe. Some things. No. I make a mistake. Now this piece is correct. Maybe this one is not correct. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to make this piece with the strange that go here like that. No, I need this piece, and this piece go here like that. That's correct. No, I think it's this piece with the two strange pieces that go something like that. Yes, it's correct. And now I think, okay, I think I got it. Okay, this piece go here, like that. And finally, this piece go here, like that. Come on. It'll have to go, that one. Oh, that is the only piece left. Maybe I'm going to take this one. Okay. Okay, this one go here. Should go easily. Yes. And finally, I put this one. Yes. Okay. It's a fun puzzle, but crazy to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if it's not already done. And until my next video, you can watch this video. Thank you very much.